In this lesson, we're going to see how to insert data into a database using Python. So we'll create a program to do that. We'll call it dbinsert.py. First step is to import our SQLite 3 library. Then we create a connection object. Then we create a cursor. And once we have created the cursor, then we are ready to begin inserting data. So we'll use the insert into command, insert into films, and then a list of values. So our first film will be Annie Hall. It was produced in 1977, and the director was Woody Allen. Notice how we use single quotes for the whole command and double quotes for the field values. We could have reversed that. Either way would have been fine. You just couldn't use one or the other for all of them. Because if, for example, you used a double quote here, then when we got to this double quote, it would have thought that was the end of the command. Let's put one more piece of data into the table. We'll do The Godfather, 1972, and that's Francis Ford Coppola. And that's all we need to do, except that we should always close our connection, especially with larger programs. So while I didn't do it in the previous program, and it's certainly okay not to, anytime you have a larger program where you may be switching in and out of the database, it's a good idea to always close the connection when you're finished with whatever tasks you're going to perform. So we'll save this program, go back to our command line, and run it. We can't tell if it worked or not. We have to assume it did. The way we can tell is by opening up SQLite, like so. Notice that I used the path to the program. And then we're going to do a select star from films. And there's our data. In the next lesson, I'm going to show you how to use Python to retrieve the data. But here I just wanted to verify that indeed the data that we inserted is stored in the database. So with that, we're ready to move on to the next lesson where we're going to see how to use Python to query the database and retrieve data from it.